I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 25 for grade 2 mathematics. We started comparing of lengths. Okay, so I'm just going to revise what we have learned, then we will continue from there. In comparing lengths, first we learned how to compare three objects. There was example in the book related to the pencil. There were three pencils. You compare the three pencils. First you check the three pencils. You place one of the end of the pencil on the zero and check the length of each pencil. The one pencil belongs to Wrinkle, another one belongs to Twinkle, and the last one belongs to Jimbo's. When you check the length of the pencil, so you find out that Wrinkle is having the longest pencil, which is 15 centimeter, whereas Twinkle is having a pencil which is less than Wrinkle's pencil and greater than, longer than Twinkle's pencil, and that was 14 centimeter. And Jimbo was having a shortest pencil among Twinkle and Wrinkle, among all these. All right, then we learned how we can compare the Twinkle pencil is how much shorter than Wrinkle, or this green pencil is how much shorter than Wrinkle. For that, you can check from 14 up to 15. 14 plus what will give you 15? 1. So you can check 1 centimeter. Either you can minus 14 from 15, or you can check from here how many centimeter you more need in order to have the same length as Wrinkle's pencil. So this is 1. If I ask you how much more length you need or Jimbo's pencil need to be as same length as Wrinkle is having, or how much shorter is Jimbo's pencil than Wrinkle pencil. So what you will see, what you will do, you will check that this is 9 centimeter and Wrinkle pencil is 15 centimeter. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 6 centimeter to have the same length as Wrinkle pencil, or you can say Jimbo pencil is shorter. How much shorter? 6 centimeter shorter than Wrinkle's pencil. Or in other words, I can say Wrinkle pencil is 6 centimeter longer than Jimbo's pencil. Same if I compare Jimbo's pencil with Twinkle. So this is 5 centimeter long. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We learned one more method to compare these objects. The first method was to place all the objects in one scale and check that how many centimeters are long by counting the centimeters in the ruler. Another method is very easy method. If you have to measure three pencils, if you have to compare three pencils, compare their lengths and write it. Like this is pencil A. What is the length of this pencil? 11 centimeter. Then you have pencil B. What is the length of this pencil? 13 centimeter. Then you have third pencil, which is pencil C. What is the length of that pencil? That is 7 centimeter. What you have to do, you have to compare that how much longer or how much shorter one pencil is with another pencil. So you see 11, 13 and 7. That means pencil B is the longest among all. So if I ask you how much pencil B is longer than pencil A. So the first method which we learned, you can check after 11 how many centimeters you move to reach 13. So the answer will be 2. Another method we learned that what you can do, you can also find out how much longer by doing subtraction. Like pencil B is 13 centimeter long, so you can write 13 first and You are comparing with pencil A, so you can compare and you can do subtraction. You can minus 11. So 13 minus 11, you will find 2. That's mean pencil B is 2 centimeter longer than pencil A. Same if I ask you, compare pencil B and C length. Which is longer? So you will say, sir, pencil B is longer because it is 13. 13 is big, whereas pencil 6 is 7. Okay. If I ask you, how much longer pencil B is than pencil C? So what you can do, you can write the length of pencil B, which is 13 centimeter, and then you will subtract the length of pencil C, which is 7 centimeter. So 13 minus 7 equals to 6 centimeter. Okay. One more example. If I ask you to compare pencil A and pencil C, if I ask you to compare pencil A and pencil C, so what is the length of pencil A? You see here pencil A length is 11 centimeter. What is the length of pencil C? 7. So I will ask which is longer. So you will say, sir, pencil A is longer. Okay, how much longer? So for that you will minus length of pencil C by length of pencil A. 11 minus 7. So that will be 4 centimeter. So you can say, sir, pencil A is 4 centimeter longer than pencil C, or you can also say pencil C is 4 centimeter shorter than pencil A. All right. So this is, now you know how you can compare the pencils. This was we completed yesterday. There was one more example which we completed yesterday that was about the length of these flowers, which was arranged by Wrinkle. She wants to make a flower vase, flower arrangement to put in her vase. She cuts some flowers. We need to compare the length of these flowers. So you check the length of these flowers by one of the method we learned to measure the length. Here, Rose is starting with this point from 1, and that is reaching up to 10. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9 centimeter. In that way, you find out the length of Rose. Then the second length was Tulip, that was starting with 4, and that ends at 18. So in order to find out the length of Tulip, it's ending up 18 and starting with 4. So 18 minus 4 equals to 14. Its length is 14 centimeter. And Daisy starts with 9 and that reaches up to 20. So 20 minus 9 equals to 11 centimeter. So you have find out the length of 11 centimeter. The same way you will compare which is longer, which flower has the longest length. So you will say, sir, 14. This is Tulip. Okay. If I ask you how much longer Tulip, how much Tulip is longer than Rose. So what you will do for that? You will do 14 minus 9. That is 5 centimeters. So you will say, sir, Tulip is 5 centimeter longer than Rose. If I ask you, okay, how much longer Tulip is than Daisy? So you will minus 11 from 14. That will be 3 centimeters. This is the thing which we have completed and which you know very well. I have revised all the things up to here. Do you have any question, guys?
No, 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 no.
Yes, yes,
No,
yes.
no, no, Dad. No, Dad. No, no. No, sir.
Very good, very good. So do you understand all the things which we have discussed or which we have revised?
Yes.
Yes, I got.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. Even if you have any question, you can send the message in the chat box and I can take your question and I can reply to you. Let's move to the next page, which is page number 133. Guys, here you also have to compare the length of some objects on page number 133. Please open your book, page number 133. Now you can compare the different objects. You know how you have to compare the length of different objects. So look at the picture below, guys. In this picture, you can see apartment block. This is apartment block. This is a school, and this is Ferris wheel. And you can see that their tallness is measured and their height is written, that apartment block height is 50 meter, school height is 30 meter, and Ferris wheel height is 70 meters. So now what you are going to do, you know that you are going to compare the height of apartment block, school, and Ferris wheel. First, when you see the height of apartment block, height of school, and height of Ferris wheel, can you tell me which is the tallest among all? Which is the tallest among all? Apartment block, school, or Ferris wheel? Which has the highest, which has the longest, which is the tallest? Can you tell me, guys?
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel is the tallest.
Ferris
Very good.
Ferris wheel.
Very good. Very good. So you all are saying Ferris wheel because you can see that Ferris wheel is 70 meter. Guys, here the measurement is in meters. Okay. So it is 70 meter. Okay. School is 30 meter. Apartment block is 50 meter. Okay. Can you tell me among apartment block, school, and Ferris wheel, which is the shortest? Which is the shortest?
School. School.
School.
Very good. Then the answer is school. So that's very good. That's written here, guys. The Ferris wheel is the tallest, as you can see and you know very well, and the school is the shortest. Now, if we look at the apartment, and if we compare the apartment with Ferris wheel, so can you tell me, guys, apartment is taller than Ferris wheel or shorter than Ferris wheel? Again, listen to me carefully. I am asking, this apartment block is taller than Ferris wheel or shorter than Ferris wheel? Yes, guys, tell me your answers, please.
Shorter.
Taller.
The answer is shorter. Why shorter? You can see that this is 70 meter. Ferris wheel is 70 meter big, whereas apartment block is only 50 meter. So 70 is bigger than 50. So you can easily say that Ferris wheel is, you can say that apartment block is shorter than Ferris wheel, or you can also say that Ferris wheel is taller than apartment block. That's very good. Guys, if you compare apartment block with school, so now you have to tell me apartment block is taller than school or shorter than school? Yes, apartment block is shorter than school or taller than school?
Taller.
Very good, very good. Apartment block is taller than school because it is 50 meter and it is 30 meters. That's very good. Now I'm going to ask you a question and you have to reply. If I ask you, okay, Sharif, I will give you a chance. If I ask you how much, how much apartment block is taller than school? How much apartment block is taller than school? So what you will say? You will say apartment block height is 50 meter. Okay, school height is 30 meter. You know how you can find out? If you do subtraction, you will find out. I need your answers in the chat box, guys. How much apartment block is taller than school? Miraj, very good. But it is meter. Saud, very good. Umar Shahir, very good. Yes, guys, answer. How much apartment block is taller than school? Adam Khalid, very good. Sharif Ahmad, very good. No Ayan. Umar Hassan, very good. Miraj, very good. Adam, very good. No Rafiq. Mohamedo. No. Some students are adding. You don't need to add. I am asking how much taller. Okay, look, for finding out how much taller, what you will do? You will find out that height. 30, 30 same. What is the difference? You will find out the difference. 50 minus 30. For that you will do subtraction. Very good. That's very good. Okay, I will repeat it for you guys. What you will do? If you need to find out the difference, if you need to find out how much apartment block is taller than school, then you will minus the length of a school by the height of apartment block. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 2. So the answer will be 20 meter. That apartment block is 20 meter taller than school. Apartment block is 20 meter taller than school. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 sir.
Very good. Okay, I'm going to take you. Sharif wants to ask some question. Where are you? Yes, Sharif. Sharif, I cannot hear you properly. Your, your voice, your voice is missing. Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you hardly, Sharif.
I'm saying apartment block is longer than the school.
No,
Or we can say the school is
Sharif, listen.
shorter than.
Ask your question in the chat box. I will answer it. Okay. I think you have internet connection. You have a problem in your internet. There is some internet connection problem. Okay, that's why your voice is cutting. All right, guys. So we have discussed. You can just ask your question in the chat box. I will answer it. All right, guys. So we know that this apartment block is 20-meter longer than a school. Now, if I ask you to compare this Ferris wheel and this apartment block, if I ask you check how much longer or how much taller this Ferris wheel is than apartment block. So what you will do? Guys, I am going to tell you one time, then you will need to answer. Okay? When you compare Ferris wheel with apartment block, first just check which is longer, which is taller. So you will say, sir, Ferris wheel is taller because it is having 70 height of 70-meter, whereas apartment block is 50-meter. If I ask you, if I ask you how much taller Ferris wheel is than apartment block, for that what you will do? You will write the height of this and minus it with the height of apartment. I mean 70 minus 50. Same, if I ask you, compare the length of Ferris wheel and school, check how much longer or how much taller the Ferris wheel is than school. You check 70/30. Ferris wheel is taller. So you will minus school height, which is shorter 30 from 70, and you will find out. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you question and you have to answer. If you did not understand, you can tell me. I will repeat it for you. Do you understand, guys?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
That's very good. Now ready to answer. The question is how much Ferris wheel is taller than school? How much a Ferris wheel is taller than school? I can write it for you. Ferris wheel taller than school. How much? How much Ferris wheel is taller than school? This is the question. 70-meter, the height of Ferris wheel, and 30-meter, the height of the school. Umar Hassan, Umar Shahir, very good. Ayan, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. No Ilyas, no Muntar. Okay, tell me tell me one thing what you're going to do. I'm going to take one of the student. Umar Hassan.
What's sir? What's
Ye-
sir?
Yes, Umar, can you tell me how much Ferris wheel is taller than school?
The Ferris wheel is tall. Then school with 40 centimeter.
40 centimeter, 40 meter.
40 centimeter. 40, 40 meter. Okay.
Okay, okay.
40 meter.
Let me take one more student. Muhammad Farooq. Can you hear me, Muhammad Farooq? Muhammad Farooq. Muhammad Al Sagir, can you hear me? Arch, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Arsh. Please tell me how much Ferris wheel is taller than a school.
Mm, 50 meters, centimeter.
It's in meters, not in centimeter. It is only m. How 50 meter? You are comparing the length of Ferris wheel and school. First tell me which is tallest among Ferris wheel and school.
Tallest 30 meter.
No, I mean which is taller, Ferris wheel or school?
School.
School is shorter, look. Ferris wheel is taller. It is 70, a bigger number. It is 30, smaller number. Am I right?
Yes.
So Ferris wheel is taller than school. I am asking how much Ferris wheel is taller. So in order to find out how much, what you will do, you will find out difference. Write the length of Ferris wheel, which is 70, and minus school height. What is the school height? 30, right? Clear? I'm asking. Yes, Arsh.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now you minus 0 equals to
Equals 0.
7 minus 3 equals to
Uh, Equals 40.
so this is 40 meter. So you can say that Ferris wheel is dash meter taller than school. How much meter?
40 meter.
40 meter. Okay, that's the answer. Now you understand how you can find out?
Yes.
That's very good. I repeat it for you, and this is not for one student. I repeat for every student. Guys, you check the height of Ferris wheel, that was 70, and then you check the height of the school. To find out how much more the school height, the Ferris wheel height is, you will do minus, do subtraction. 70 minus 30, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 3, 4. So that is 40 meters. Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Very good. That's very good. Same guys, if you have to compare apartment block and school, if I ask you apartment block, how much apartment block is taller than school? So you will write 50. This is the height of our apartment is 50 and the height of school is 30. So 50 minus 30 equals to 20. So you will say it is 20 meter. Apartment block is 20 meter tall. In that way you have to complete. Now I'm going to come to the exercise. Look at the pictures below on the practice zone. How much shorter is pencil A than pencil B? Pencil A is 11 centimeter long. Coming to the next page, page number 134. This is page number 134. So guys, on page number 134, you can see that pencil B is 13 centimeter long. Pencil A is 11 and pencil B is 13 centimeter long. If you need to find out the difference, so what you will do? Pencil B is longer, so you will write the length of pencil B first, which is 13. Pencil B is 13 centimeter long, you need to find out the difference. So you will write 13 centimeter minus 11 centimeter equals to 2 centimeter. And then you can say pencil A is 2 centimeter shorter than pencil B. Pencil A is 2 centimeter shorter than pencil B. We can say apartment block is 50 meter longer than school by Sharif. Apartment. I need to read it again. No, it is not 50 meter longer than a school. It is 20 meter longer than a school. Okay, because 30 school is also having the length of the height of 30 meter. Okay, if you need to find out the difference, so you will minus 30 from 50. 50 minus 30 equals to 20. Guys, look at this picture, then fill in the boxes.